Hello and welcome back to my channel. Ngayon po tayo ay magluluto ng Maja Blanca. Sa unang bahagi, ating gagawin ang pudding. First part, let's make the pudding. Here are the ingredients. Narito po ang mga sangkap. 1 can of condensed milk, 1 can evaporated milk, 4 cups of coconut milk, 380 grams of whole kernel corn, 1 cup of corn flour, 1 cup of sugar, shredded coconut, and 4 cups of water. Ang una pong dapat gawin ay ilagay ang gata sa kaldero. Put the coconut milk in a pot, then follow by the evaporated and condensed milk. Matapos isunod ang evaporada at kondensada, haluing mabuti. Stir continuously until fully mixed before adding the sugar. Kapag nahalo ng mabuti, maaari na pong idagdag ang asukal. Now let's make a slurry. Ngayon, tayo po ay gagawa ng pinaghalong tubig at gawgaw. Combine the corn flour and water together and create a mixture of cornstarch and water. Let's call this mixture the slurry for our pudding. Now that our milk mixture and slurry are both ready, let's start cooking. Heat up the milk mixture and add the corn. Stir the mixture and let it boil. After boiling, lower the heat and slowly add the slurry. Matapos kumulo at maihalo na ang pinaghalong tubig at gawgaw, haluin mabuti upang hindi mamuo. Stir continuously while simmering and make sure there are no more lumps. Kapag kumulo na, ito'y luto na po at maaari nang iahon sa init. After it boils, remove from heat. Transfer to a tray or baking dish and let it cool. Isalin sa bandeja at palamigin. Now the second part, we will be making the toppings. Sa ikalawang bahagi, atin na pong gagawin ang toppings ng ating maja. Pour into the pan the shredded coconut. Ilagay lamang po ang kinayod na niyog sa ating kawali. We will be toasting the shredded coconut. Atin pong ibubusa ang kinayod na niyog. Haluin lamang po ng tuloy-tuloy upang ito ay pantay na maluto. Keep mixing continuously so it will be cooked evenly. You may also use cheese or other toppings for this pudding, but we will use this shredded or toasted shredded coconut as a topping to match the smooth texture. Once you see it turning slightly brown, you need to make sure that the heat is in the lowest temperature. Quickly switch off the heat when you see that the toasted coconut is turning brown. The remaining heat in the pan will continue cooking the coconut. While cooling your toasted coconut, check if your pudding is already set. When all the pudding is set and now your toasted coconut is ready, you can start topping it. Then cut them into serving portions and enjoy eating. You can put as many toasted coconut as you like. That's it. I hope you like this video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe and click the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next vlog.